Mercedes, we'd also love to get your take on the Menendez brothers, who are now fighting for a new trial. They were convicted, as you know, in 1996 of murdering their parents, and their attorneys say new evidence supports the brothers' story. They were abused and acted in self-defense. Now, they cite a new claim by a former member of the boy band Menudo. He appeared in a documentary saying Jose Menendez sexually abused him when he was a teen. So the brothers' attorneys want their convictions vacated or a new evidentiary hearing. Do you think that they'll get it?
What a great, this story, when I started doing research, I could not believe that the conviction is nearly 30 years ago. And it has had such ups and downs. We know from the first trial, they had been acquitted. Second trial, where there were some restrictions in terms of the evidence of the sexual abuse, was removed, and then they were convicted. So to answer your question, it's really going to focus on whether the key of their defense, meaning that they were subjected to extreme sexual abuse by their father, known by their mother, was reasons underlying for the killing of their parents. And this new evidence is that very key issues are being now ferreted. We're talking about a letter that allegedly Eric wrote to his cousin saying that he was afraid of his father. Now, in that letter, it does not disclose the severe sexual abuse that he claimed that he had been subjected to at the hands of his father, but it certainly raises at least the specter of it when you connect it then to Roy Rosello, who is the individual who came forward and said that he had been drugged and raped by Jose Menendez, the Menendez brothers' father. So all of that, it's certainly something that the judges have already said to the prosecutors, tell me what you have in terms of defeating these two very critical claims that could very well lead to a new trial for the Menendez brothers following the vacating of their convictions.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.